Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Lashybox for the month of February. If you're unfamiliar with Lashybox, it's $13 a month. You get 4 lashes and a mini sample of lash glue and another product every month. They have different subscriptions. They have this one, they have a more expensive one that you just get lashes, and then they have a few cheaper versions. I will have a link at the very top of my description box down below if you are interested, but let's unbox this. I cut it open it up, it looks like this, and let's just pull out the lashes. So we have one pair of lashes from Ruby May Lashes, and these are in Ruby May 3D06, Ruby May Premium 3D Lashes. Look like that. And they're vegan and cruelty free. Okay, I like those. Those are very intense lashes. Not something I will get a ton of use out of, but I do like them. I love having the more dramatic option for more dramatic looks. The next pair of lashes we have are by, ooh, I love this packaging. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And this is Pop Rocks Candy Lashes. Okay. I love these. These are definitely something I will wear. I love this packaging too. Look at this. Super cute. It's like those conversation hearts. Adorable. And then we have a pair by, we have 2 pairs by Lashybox. And these are the 3D silk lashes. Okay, these will probably be ones I wear the most. Very natural and nice. And they are vegan and cruelty free. And these are in the style First Date. Okay. Excited about those. Those would definitely be the ones I would probably get the most use out of. And then we have, this packaging is super cute. It's in the style Sweetheart. And these are also 3D silk lashes. In style Sweetheart. Again, very gorgeous lashes. And then we have the mini sample of lash glue. This is just the black natural rubber latex lash glue. Just a mini sample of black lash glue. We tend to get a sample of lash glue in every box, but you know, not mad at that. And then we have one more big ticket item, and this is the Ocalon 16 color eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. I'm gonna open this up and I want to do some swatches. It is sealed, it's taped shut. Okay, very pretty colors. I'm excited about this. I've never heard of this brand either. Packaging's a little cheap, but you know, that's okay. It doesn't matter. Just the quality of the shadow matters. It comes with one of those things. And these are the shadows. Let's do some swatches. Let's do some swatches. Ooh, that's the first row, that yellow though. Okay. I'm excited about that. Let's continue swatching. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that pigment though. That is the second row. That is the third row. And the final row, which that shimmer shade right there is absolutely stunning. That last shade needs a little help, but you know, that black isn't the most black. But I'm excited to give this a try. I wonder how much this retails for. I'd be interested in seeing that. Those are very pretty shades. I'm excited to give that a try. Right up my alley in the colors. And like I said, I've never heard of that brand, so I'm excited to see the formula and how the colors play out. I love my Lashybox. I love getting lashes every month for only $13. Lashes are expensive. And to get good quality lashes like this for very cheap, and always get an extra item in your box, whether it be tweezers, eyeshadow palettes, or what. I think this box is totally worth it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week, and the occasional Saturday foundation review video. And definitely follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.